Wanna play?
Here, have a game on me. Then you best get out of here.
Maybe you should keep it. I got a feeling you'll be needing it real soon.
Back then, me and Remy Lyons, we were like brothers.
We did it.
We finally got the auto shop together.
This is ours.
And we're going totally legit. But he framed me for a crime he did.
That's not me.
Now I've done 5 years in a Supermax prison while he built an empire.
Get the team together. It's payback time.
Scarlet Fiore, ex-Marine, safecracker, and demolitions expert.
Boom!
Sparky Mason. He may look like a nerd, but he's the best hacker around.
Security grid online in 30 seconds.
We're gonna take it back. All of it.
We're going after the Lions Den.
Dude, you just got out of the pen.
So we somehow managed to get unnoticed into the most secure casino in the city.
The most secure vault we've ever seen.
How the hell do we get away?
Well, for that, we've got the best.
Wheels.
Boom.
Mustang's on our tail. Wheels, hit it.
Now we're having fun.
Wheels, cut the power in 3, 2, 1. Guys, get out of there.
Easy as that, huh?
No one steals from me and gets away with it.
Come on, come on, come on.
He's gonna spend the rest of his pitiful life looking in the rearview mirror because he knows I won't give up the chase.
Wheels? Wheels? Wheels, you crazy son of a...
Buddy, you think you can catch me? Difference is, I know Wheels can outrun anybody. Wanna play?